Have you ever updated your WordPress theme and suddenly your custom changes disappeared? That happens because you updated your parent theme directly. Hi guys, my name is Arun Nagyaan and I have a 10 years experience on Zoho platform and WordPress development. Today, I will show you the correct way to customize any theme with WordPress child theme in less than 10 minutes. What is child theme? A child theme is a separate theme that inherits everything from the parent theme. You can change design, template, function without touching the original files. When the parent theme updates, your changes stay safe. For better understanding, let's move to the system. Welcome back guys. So we are going to create child theme for this WordPress website. This is testing store, so we will create a child theme for this website and we will create child theme using ChatGPT. So I'm going to open dashboard and I will copy few lines from the parent theme. So I'm going to open theme file editor. So I need these line and I will use these line on the ChatGPT. So I'm going to open ChatGPT. This is ChatGPT. So I wrote here I need a WordPress theme for this. So now I have a complete steps here. Folder structure, file structure. So first thing, I'm going to create this folder inside the theme directory. We have theme directory here, so I'm going to create a folder here, this one. Now I need to create two files, style.css, functions.php and screenshots.png. It's an option, we can use or we can't use. So I'm going to copy style.css and I will create a file here, then second file function.php. So I'm going to create another file, then I can download both files. So now I'm going to open both files in Notepad++. So in a function in a style sheet, just copy and paste here, and function file just copy and paste, style sheet and function.php, copy and paste. Now I'm going to save both files and upload on the server here. Now back to the WordPress website, I can just click on the themes and you can see the child theme. We don't have screenshot here, so we can use same screenshot that we have with parent theme. So I'm going to download this one, just upload inside the child theme folder. Now you can refresh. Now we have a child theme, so you can just activate it. If you open this one, this is the store, and I'm going to activate child theme. So you can see we have a same structure, all pages, everything. So now you can use child theme folder here. You can use your own code inside function.php. You can use your style sheet. Even you can create here two folder, JS and CSS. So you can use CSS in CSS folder and JS in JS folder. And also you can create a image folder too. You can create custom template here and you can use your own header and footer files here. So guys, now you have a complete knowledge about the child theme, how to create child theme for any premium website. So in future, if you create a WordPress website with premium theme for your customer, your client, then you can create a child theme first, then you can make all custom coding inside the child theme. So if your premium theme updates, then your changes stay safe. so you are secure with your custom code using child theme. So guys, now you have a complete knowledge about the child theme and you can use ChatGPT. I will add all steps in video bio. So guys, that's it for child theme. Keep watching, keep learning. I'll catch you in next video.